And post-game interviews here with the fan favorite, Tajahe Dixon. How are you doing, sir?
I'm great, doing good.
All right, you razzle and you dazzle on the field, and that is the likeness of everybody else. But not only did you do that, for the second straight week, you've put the ball into the back of the net.
He's been substituted now, and here's the X factor coming in. That's Tajahe Dixon. And that year there were a lot of, I think maybe 80%, and probably this is the reason why he's the top goal scorer. Has a lot of speed, Dixon. Forced to be more on the front foot, and it will open up space for this man, Dixon, who does very well. Gets inside his marker, he's battling, cuts inside Dixon, dispossessed for a 1-0 lead. Here they are now, Barbican. Here is Dixon, lays it off, a chance to make it 2.
Tajahe Dixon on the ball now. Turning by Andrew Pedler. What a skillful player Tajahe Dixon is. Intercepted well by Tajahe Dixon. Tajahe Dixon on the ball now. Trying to get by Allen. Trying to find Tajahe Dixon. And it on, but Tajahe Dixon gets it. Sends it across the locks to Thompson, who sends it forward for Tajahe Dixon. Opportunity for Barbican. And it is the second goal for Barbican in the third of the contest. Tajahe Dixon, the fan favorite, is the goal scorer of Barbican's second goal. Dixon sent forward now. Tried to find his second goal, Tajahe Dixon. And it's still Tajahe Dixon. And ball sent inside. Oh, across the face of goal. He has been on fire tonight. And the referee says no. That was an appeal for a handed ball. Grayson sends that one forward, but he falls to Rodari Edwards. They do lose possession. And now it's with Tajahe Dixon. Sends it to Brian Grayson. McDonald. Tajahe Dixon will try to latch on once more, and he does. Beautiful skill there to head it on, and it's still Tajahe Dixon. Turns, sends it across to Ricardo Henry. Will this be the third? And by Dallas. Dixon with the ball, sends that one across, and an opportunity for the equalizer, and intercepted well by Tajahe Dixon. Tajahe Dixon on the ball now. Trying to get by Allen. In English on the ball now. And Tajahe Dixon, oh, brilliantly chested down. And an opportunity. And that is the second goal. It's done and dusted. What a brilliant goal there by Tajahe Dixon. The fan favorite delivers. And it's Barbican 2. Real Mona nil here at the Constant Spring football field. Brilliant ball there, sent over from Damien English to Tajahe Dixon. How crucial do you think you have to be in terms of skill, pace, agility, and goal scoring ability going forward for Barbican in the quarterfinals, playing the 4th place in Zone B for the KSAFA Super League?
Yeah, evening again. I feel very great knowing that we have a quarter-final coming up in a few weeks. Barbican FC want to do our best to prepare to the National League. So, me personally in the team, I have to do my best so Barbican FC can win the title.
You've got to tell me how is it that is it that you practice some of the styles that you do, because you're so effective when you run on the ball. Your speed management is exceptional and you get by players easily. Is it something you practice in training, or it's just something that you're born with, or it's something naturally coming to you?
Yeah, honestly, something that I practice in training. Like every time you're going to training, you have to try something new to come in the game, because a lot of players know me, know how I play. So every week I have to try to do something different so we can be victorious.
All right, and last question. It just eluded you guys to be promoted to the Red Stripe Premier League last season. You want to do one better and be promoted this season. How motivated and confident are you guys that next season you'll be playing in the Red Stripe Premier League?
If we have this team till the end of the season, trust me, Barbican FC will win the league. If we are injury free, no one can stop us this season. We are doing our best. We are going this league and we are going in the Premier League next season.